Hello everyone, my name is Bhavesh Chapur. Today's date is 3rd September. This is the original video. The topic of this video is packages in Java. So what is a packages? In simple word, it's a way to categorize the classes, interfaces, enumeration and annotations. While developing a Java application, we write hundreds of classes and interfaces. So it is must to categorize these classes. Packages are used to avoid naming conflicts, to access the control, and then to make searching and uses of the classes very easier. So now let's understand the how to create a packages. To create a package, first you should choose a name for your package. Then you should include the package statement along with that name. Then this package statement should be written in top of every source file. One source file should contain only one package statement. So if package statement is not defined in any of the source file, then the classes, enumeration, interfaces and annotations will be placed in current default packages. While giving a name to packages, we should only use a lowercase to avoid the naming conflicts. To now let's see how compile the Java programs using package. To compile Java program using packages, we have to use dash D option. For example, Java C, then dash D, then destination folder, and then file name .java. And this way we can compile a Java program using packages. There are total two types of packages, predefined and user defined. So predefined packages are further categorized in various ways. There are predefined packages like java.lang, java.util, java.io, java.applet, java.awt, then java.net, java.mysql. So this java.lang is a by default package. Then java.util, it is used when we are working on a data structure related classes. Then java.io is used when we want some file input output operations. Then java.applet, java.awt and java.net, we use this while we want to develop a web application related classes. Then java.sql is used when we are doing some database related classes. Then second type is a user defined. User defined classes are only for the user's wish. It is used for only according to the user's wish. For this, user have to name a Java user have to name a package name, and along with that package statement. There are some so let's see the advantages and disadvantages of this package. So advantages of using packages, it is reusable, means we can use the same code again and again. Then security, by using the various access modifier like private or default, we can add security. Then next is a fast searching, because the classes and then interfaces are categorized according to the packages. Therefore we can easily and fast search for the particular class. Next advantage is a naming conflict. So because of this naming conflict, we can use a same name for two different classes which are in two different packages. And These packages have only one disadvantage, is that we can't pass parameter to the packages. And that's all with the package. Thank you.